Hey guys, this is Henry from Mr. Fish Tank, and today we're gonna do another unboxing video. So this is, as you can see, handle with care, fragile, green marks, live fish. So I got this fish from Endless Hybrids, and you'll see what I got. I like how they wrap it up. There you go. Here's their stickers. And fish is swimming. Water is room temperature, so that's perfect. You can't see the fish yet, but we're gonna acclimate it in the tank, and then I'm gonna show you what I got. Let me see if I can rip this up first. Alright guys, so we're back with the unboxing video, and this is the crystal parrot we got from Endless Hybrids. Looks very nice. Very nice coloring. Got a nice yellow, red, and orange. Very active right now. You can see this guy looks super great. I want to say thank you to Endless Hybrids for sending me this. I'm super happy about it. Thank you so much. Happy fish keeping. Thank you for watching, guys.